Hello, hello. I am here to tell you about my first injection of 12.5 milligrams of Mounjaro. So as you may or may not know, I have been taking Mounjaro for 15 months, and I was recently kind of stuck in a dilemma. I was trying to decide whether I was going to stay on 10 and kind of stick it out, or whether I was going to titrate up to 12.5. Well, the ultimate decision and the reason why I decided to titrate up to 12.5 is because I was having food noise, and a lot of it. I was also having cravings, and I just felt like it was time for a change. So I titrated up, and guess what? I gave myself the injection last night. So I'm going to tell you, I was debating about switching my injection day to Thursday. And the reason why I wanted to do that is because I kind of wanted to just sail on into the weekend with that injection. I wanted to sail into the weekend with limited food noise or just any appetite, struggles that I was having. I decided that I wanted to change my injection day to Thursday because I felt like maybe I could sail into the weekend and just have a lot more appetite suppression. I was having so many struggles on the 10, but I think I'm going to be fine. I did take my injection, decided to take it on the Wednesday like I normally do, because I just want to really be able to truly compare the 10 milligram dose with the 12.5 or 12.5 milligram dose. So that's ultimately what I did. I took it last night. And so immediately when I took it, normally I feel like a dry mouth. I don't know. Do you guys get that dry mouth sensation? Normally I get like a dry mouth and it makes me want to drink. This time I didn't get that immediately. And I wonder if it's because I made sure I was extra hydrated that day, the day before. So really it's almost a day since I've taken it. I ate a little bit more protein than I normally get. And I just really focus on that hydration. So I made sure that I had electrolytes. So I was drinking electrolytes, and I just really kind of wanted to make sure that it can maybe curb that fatigue that I get. Usually a day or two after my injection, I am a little bit tired, but not to the point where I can't function and get around. More and more as time went on, I think I felt less and less fatigue, but it still was there. Well, when I took my injection of 12.5 milligrams, the dry mouth was gone, and I think it's because of the electrolytes. And if you are enjoying this video so far, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and join me on my journey. I didn't feel as fatigued right away, but mind you, when I took the injection, I went to sleep. But when I got up this morning, I felt pretty good. I felt like I had energy. And now as the day is going on, I'm starting to feel a little bit of that tiredness kicking in. And it's usually not this delayed. So that's a difference that I didn't notice on the 10 milligrams. My fatigue is a little delayed. I also want to say that I did not eat right away. I didn't eat probably until like 11:30, 12 o'clock today. So what did I eat? And I am actually feeling stuffed as we speak. I ate a turkey burger. I want to say it was probably a 4 to 6 ounce patty of the turkey burger, the ground meat. And I ate it on a little keto bun. It has 16 grams of fiber. And that's what, got me with these buns. So I'll share that with you guys. So I ate one of those, and it's kind of small. And then I had some Catalina Crunch. If you didn't check out my video about what I'm eating, I talk about that Catalina Crunch in that video. And it's a little high protein snack, but it gives me that crunch that I like. So I had a little bit of that. And then I ended up having a little bit later, trail mix. And so I had some almonds, I had some sunflower seeds, I had some walnuts, and I ate that. So that was pretty tasty. And I am stuffed. So I still have, as you can see, I have a lot more to eat. So that's the goal for today, is to get in as much protein as I can. I think I'm going to boil some eggs. I think I may eat a piece of chicken. I have a salad, and it has chicken on it, but it doesn't have a lot. So I'm going to add those eggs to it. And I may have to drink one of my 42 grams of protein shakes, but I'll drink that. I feel like bread, but I'll drink that after I eat, because I got to get that eating in there. So I am feeling stuffed. I drank some water. I feel like I want to drink some more electrolytes, but I can't. I feel like, how you feel like your belly is just, you could hear the water jiggling in it. Well, I'm not to that degree, but I feel like if I drink a little bit more, I will be. I've been drinking and sipping on the water all day. So I'm actually feeling good about this because I haven't had food noise. I haven't been thinking about what I'm going to eat. The noise is just, it's pretty much gone. My appetite is suppressed, and my belly is full. When I was on the 10 milligrams, if I had eaten what I ate today, I would want something else. Like I would want to eat something else. I have not wanted to eat something else since I've been taking this. So overall, I will say that is great. So just as this day one, so I'll keep you posted on how it goes. So because I went right to sleep, I do want to add this about how long it took to see, to feel anything. I pretty much go right to sleep after I take my injection. It's always been like that. I take my injection and then I'm off to bed. And that has really helped me out because I don't really feel the side effects of whatever I would feel, right? But I do feel the dry mouth instantly. I did not feel that dry mouth. I don't know what that was. I'm going to attribute that to really just going out of my way to add that extra water. So I usually drink 64 ounces of water. I think I probably might have even drank 80. And if I didn't drink 80, I was close to it because I drank 2 of these yesterday with electrolytes in one of the bottles. And I think I may have even drank a third one. And I didn't drink the whole thing, but this is, I believe, 32 or 40 ounces. So I'm drinking a lot of water. The reason why I don't count the 40 and 40 and say, oh, I'm always drinking 80 ounces is because I fill it up with some ice. So I'm giving the ice the benefit of the doubt here. And I'm sure it's taking up, some of that water. But anyway, let me take a drink. Yes. So stay hydrated. I would say that has helped me out. So far, the side effects, I don't really have any. I haven't been having any. I haven't had any side effects, which is good. I don't know yet if this is my sweet spot. Did you hear my stomach growling? I'm not sure yet if this is my sweet spot of a dose because I hear people saying such and such dose was their sweet spot. And I don't know if this is mine, but I'm hoping it is. If I'm feeling like I'm feeling now, I think I'm going to be fine with this. I'm feeling good about this. I really am. I'm feeling good. One of the things I plan to do moving forward with this switch in dosage is track a little bit more. So you guys know that I am a tracker. My goal is to get up to 1,800 calories, but now that I'm on 12.5, I'm just going to give myself grace. And if I could get 1,600 to 1,800, I'm going to consider myself lucky because my appetite, I'm feeling, is suppressed. So if it stays like this, it's going to be a struggle. But I will keep you posted on my progress. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what dose you are on. Did you titrate up to 12.5? Have you ever gotten there? And what dose gave you the maximum results? Could this be my sweet spot? What dose would you consider your sweet spot? I want to hear all about it. So like and share this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video or go live. Now you can catch me live on Sundays at 2 p.m. Eastern, Wednesdays at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, and Fridays at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. So I will see you live or in the next video. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Just don't quit.